Welcome to the GUI series with Python. In this, we will learn how to create GUI applications with Python programming. And at the end, we'll also learn some amazing Python real-life GUI apps and how to create it step by step. So let's start with our GUI programming. So GUI is graphical user interface, and we are using GUI to create apps using Python programming. So to create your first basic GUI app, first you need to import a module or a library, or basically it is a pre-default app which comes with Python. That is called Tkinter library. So you have to import from. This is a Python file which I am opening in ideally you can also open a Python file. Just .py is the extension. You have to create a Python file. So you can click on file and open and then run your files in this. So we are gonna code in this. So we have to type from tkinter import. Tkinter is a library and import star means you're importing everything in that library because you need access to those tools to create your apps. And this Tkinter is a pre-installed thing, so you don't need to install it, just type the code and it will work for you. So then you have to use root equals to tk. This is a variable or a tk class that is in object-oriented programming, but we will discuss that later. For now, just type here root equals tk. That is, you're defining a root, or you can even type your window or anything. That's such a variable. Then to make the app run, that means the app has to be constantly running. So to type root dot main loop. So it will go in a loop. So there it will always keep running the app. Okay. So now we want to open the app, right? For opening the app, so you need to define a size of this app. For example, this app which is open here, you can see this. This is a app. It is having a window size, length, breadth, height, all that stuff. So you have to define that. So you can type here root dot geometry. Okay, it's called root dot geometry. Then inside codes you can type it. For example, I say I want to make it at 300 into 300 as the window size. Then I can just close the code. Okay. So the root size or the window size will be 300 into 300. Okay. So now let me just save it and let me run the file. Run module or run file. You can see this. So now it's gonna open a window. Can you see? So this has opened a window. This is the window size of 300 into 300. Okay. It's the window size of 300 into 300. And this is how an app basically looks. This is the first step towards building your app. Okay. So now you can see this. Now we can add a label to this. So we can say root dot title. We can type here first GUI app. You can see here now it comes at the top first GUI app. So here you can see it shows first GUI app as the title over here. So that's what you can do with titles. Now if you don't want to resize your app, you can even add root dot resizable, and then you can type here false, again false for both the height and the width. And now if you run it again, can you see this? Now you cannot resize. The the maximize option has gone, so you cannot resize the window now. It will be at a fixed app size. So this is how you make your first GUI app here. So yeah, this is our first video which we have concluded by defining how to create your first app and how to make it at a size and how to give a title to it. Later we'll also discuss how to make this more advanced and professional. So for that, follow this playlist and I'll be uploading videos daily on these topics. So make sure you subscribe and don't forget to give this playlist and the channel a like and share it. So till then, see you and goodbye.